Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Happy Friday. Yeah. Just made a cup of coffee and another video, but which will be coming up. So I wanted to say, before I get started too much more, I guess some thought would started, but I'm using a little Bill Mountain Sticky Icky today, which I got from Bruce's Fab Creations. I'm also using the Fab Creations manger because I love it. But I was sitting home last Friday, and a thought occurred to me. I didn't mention anything about 9/11, which was last Saturday, and I kind of did one of these. I'm like, why did I mention? Okay, first of all, I never forgot the day. I've never forgotten. I don't remember last week very well, but I don't remember that. I remember that day because I heard the radio call. I heard the announcement over the radio, like this just in, plane has hit the World Trade Center tower. And I thought, oh my God. And I continued driving into work. I showed up, because I used to be a breakfast cook then. I had the 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. shift. Showed up at work. I had a bunch of orders right off the bat, so I had to do a whole bunch of cooking. And as soon as I was, as soon as I got the rail clear and all the plates were out, I went in the back and we had this little TV. It was like a 13-inch color TV we used to watch training videos on. And I went out and I grabbed it and I set it up on the pass bar and I turned it on. And the first image I saw as soon as the TV came to life was the two towers smoking. And I was like, what? And I continued watching it, and they kept, you know, it was the news, and they kept re-showing the plane hitting the other tower. And I was just like, oh my God. So, you know, I should have said something last week about it. I should have actually done that video on Saturday, and I just dropped the ball. I've never forgotten it. I just forgot to do a video. So, yeah, damn. All those lives lost. So today we're going to be doing a fatwood burn. I'm going to be, I got this Smith Pal out. I'm going to be doing this video today. It's going to be dedicated to loved ones lost. Either it was 9/11, which is 20 years ago, which just seems like a long time, but it also feels like, I remember it like it was yesterday. Just watching the events unfold on the news all day. And seeing the first building drop, it's like, you know, building dropped and your heart just goes with it. It's like, oh my God. So we're going to do a burn dedicated to those, you know, loved ones lost, which is kind of good because we're doing Bill Mountain's fatwood, with another brother lost, missed very much. I wouldn't mind just seeing one more video of his, but so we're going to get the fatwood going for that. And I'm still going to do the shout out for this week. I actually haven't filmed it yet, so I don't know who to say, but when I get home I'll still do the shout out. You know, I don't have any mail calls today, but let's get to the burn. Good coffee. I think we will also, just because I can, Throw a little birch bark in on top. Where are you? The Nathan 4071 ferro rod. So let's see if we can do a one and done. And we have. Alright, go ahead and draw this week's channel shout out. And one pop out, so who we have? It is, oh cool, this Common Sense Camper, Jeff. Cool guy. I haven't seen any videos from him in a while, so I hope he's doing alright. Alright, thanks for watching.